Bob Michele, the global head of fixed income at JP Morgan Asset Management, writing this: both the administration and Federal Reserve are behaving as though the market moves are business as usual. We cannot believe that the Fed will wait until something breaks before responding. Bob joins us now for more. Bob, good evening.
Happy to be here.
GFC.com, the pandemic. Frame this moment. What is this for you and the team?
Well, I was reading Larry Summers earlier, who pointed out that Thursday and Friday were back-to-back the worst market drops, except in three other instances: the '87 stock market crash, 2008 the financial crisis, and then 2020 COVID. So this is a historic period, and as you point out, we're down another 5%. I would tell you, in the other three instances, the Fed stepped in immediately and cut rates sizably. So I think for now, if you go back to Friday, the Fed can talk tough. They have to be looking at this. I don't know if they can even make it to the May meeting before they start bringing rates down.
At the same time, nothing seems to have broken yet. It doesn't seem like things have gotten disorderly yet, despite the margin calls. And there is a real concern about inflation picking back up. How much can you really reject what Jay Powell said on Friday?
Well, you have to reject something he said over the last few years. Remember, they talked about the long and variable lags. So now they're saying they're going to wait for the accident before they respond and then wait for the long and variable lags to take hold. I don't think so. I think if you step back and look at the totality of what's going on, you cannot believe that there's nothing under the surface that's going to break. We already know that businesses in the lower rated end of the quality spectrum have been struggling. When you look at private credit and look at the percentage of amend and extends, it's very high. What happens when their cost of funding just ratcheted up another couple percent and they're going to see top line growth come down as well as their input costs go up? I think this is a serious moment. I do not think the Fed can just sit on the side.
If you do believe